In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete unused offline files from your OneDrive cloud storage. We all know how cluttered our digital spaces can get, and OneDrive is no exception. When you use OneDrive, sometimes files that you may not need offline can take up unnecessary space on your device. So today, let's walk through a quick process to free up some space by removing these offline files. First, begin by opening up File Explorer on your Windows PC. File Explorer is your main portal to accessing all the files stored on your device, including those in your OneDrive. You can find the File Explorer icon typically pinned on your taskbar, or you can open it by typing File Explorer in the search bar next to the Start menu. Once you're in File Explorer, look at the left-hand panel. You'll see a list of locations and drives that are accessible. Among these options, select OneDrive. This step will lead you directly into your OneDrive directory, where all of your files that are synced from the cloud can be found. Next, it's time to navigate to the folder containing the files you wish to delete. This could be any folder within your OneDrive, perhaps a project folder, a collection of documents, or even saved media files. Click into the relevant folder to open it up. If you're uncertain about which files to delete, consider ones you haven't accessed in a while, or files you know you can always retrieve from the cloud later. After you've identified the offline file, or files you want to manage, it's time to interact directly with them. Right-click on the file. As you do this, a context menu will appear, showcasing various options that you can choose from. Locate and select the option labeled Free Up Space. By choosing Free Up Space, you are telling OneDrive to keep the file only in the cloud and remove it from local storage on your device. This process won't delete the file permanently or remove it from your OneDrive account, but it will remove it from your local storage, freeing up space on your device while ensuring the file remains safely accessible from other devices or from OneDrive online. And that's all there is to it. You're now one step closer to maintaining a clean and efficient digital workspace. Remember, keeping only necessary files on your local device can make managing your storage more straightforward and ensure that you have room for what really matters. The next time you're running low on space or simply want to tidy up, come back to these steps and take control of your storage situation. Thank you for joining me, and see you in the next video.